After the US, Mexico has now imposed up to 50% tariffs on Indian goods. Not only India, these tariffs target other Asian countries without a free trade agreement with Mexico. These will come to effect from January 2026. So why these tariffs? Mexico's government under President Claudia Sheinbaum aims to shield local industries from cheap imports, especially from China, while generating $3.75 billion in revenue to cut fiscal deficits. China holds a massive trade surplus exceeding $100 billion, hammering sectors like steel, auto parts, and textiles. The government is also preemptively aligning with the United States ahead of the 2026 USMCA review. But why on India? India ranks among the hardest hit after China, with exports totaling nearly $8.9 billion to Mexico in 2024, now facing potential 25 to 40% plunge in key sectors. So who is the worst hit? Auto sector would be the worst hit. Volkswagen Skoda leads at 50% of shipments to Mexico, followed by Hyundai, Nissan, and Maruti Suzuki. Passenger vehicles worth $800 million to $1 billion yearly are comprising India's third largest car export market after South Africa and Saudi Arabia will see duties soar from 20% to 50%, crippling compact car shipments. Auto parts valued at $600 to $700 million face 25 to 50% tariffs alongside 35 to 40% or $900 million in iron and steel exports, hurting firms like Tata Steel, 30 to 35% on $500 to $600 million in textile, apparel and footwear, and 15 to 30% on organic chemicals and pharmaceuticals. Overall, India's $8.9 billion exports to Mexico could drop 25 to 40%. India has now treated this as a top diplomatic priority to push for a bilateral FTA or a partial scope deal covering autos and steel before tariffs bite, as the industries are already facing a hit from the US tariffs. There is a downside for Mexico too. Its customers will face pricier cars, clothes and goods, and local retailers reliant on affordable Asian inputs amid high inflation will also be hit.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.